Hello. In this video, I will show you how creatives work for commissions in Affiliate Press. Go to the front-end affiliate panel as an affiliate user. Now open the Creatives tab. This is the Affiliate Panel Creatives page. Here, affiliate users can see the list of creative banners. Click the Download button on any creative banner. Here, you can download the creative image and copy the HTML code. Copy this HTML code and go to the backend. Affiliate users can add this code to any page or post. Now we will add this code to a page and see how it works. You can add a new page or edit an existing page to add the code. Add a new HTML block and paste the HTML code. After that, click the Save button. The page has been saved successfully. Now go to the front end without an affiliate referral link. Now open the page where you added the creative. Here you can see the creative banner. Click on it, and it will redirect you to the URL set in the creative. Now purchase the product. This is the checkout page. Enter the billing details and select a payment method. Enter the card details and click the Place Order button. The product has been purchased successfully. Now go to the affiliate panel. The commission will be assigned to this affiliate user. Now go to the admin side commission page. Now you can see a new record has been assigned to the Remington Kennedy user.
Thank you for watching our video. Please subscribe to our channel.